Hi guys, I have another fall clean and decorate video for you. If you're new to my channel, my name is Michelle and this is my everyday wife life. Today I will be working in zone 2, specifically in the entryway. Okay, the entryway has become a dumping ground for all of my stuff that needs to go to the Goodwill. This little basket here I have for it has not been working out, and I have stuff piled up here that I want to put out for decor. Not sure why that broom is there. That is for the front porch. It needs to stay out on to the front porch because I bought a new one for inside the house. So I'm going to clear off all this stuff and clean it and decorate it. But first, I am needing some fall inspiration, and I bought these essential oils off of Amazon. I will put a link down below. I don't tend to burn candles because they can be toxic and give me a headache, so I bought these fall essential oils off of Amazon, and I'm really liking them. There's like a pumpkin spice one, an apple cider one, a coffee cake one, a gingerbread one, etc. Yeah, they are working out really well, and they are like right in my entryway. So you smell it as soon as you enter the house. And I'm using this wax warmer, and it has a little bit of coconut oil in there and just a couple drops of essential oils, and you're good to go. Again, I am working in zone 2 this week, which is the entryway, the library, the laundry room, and the dining room. Okay, let's get started, shall we? Bras on and aprons on, and I'm just going to clean up all of this stuff for the Goodwill and put it in a box and get ready for the Goodwill challenge, which is on September 30th. If you are a YouTuber, you can join. There will be some information on my community page. Yeah, one of the cats brought in a bird, and what you're seeing there is some feathers. So I'm going to clean that up, and I soon realized that the broom is not going to work. I need to get the vacuum out. Yeah, the feathers were just flying everywhere. So I'm going to get the vacuum, and I'm moving all the furniture in the entryway and cleaning out behind it and cleaning the baseboards, etc. I mentioned that I am working in zone 2 this week. I also am today, which is Sunday when I'm recording this, in doing a weekly home reset and refresh. So I actually have my one and done cleaning routine free printable, and I will list it down below. But when I was doing my weekly home reset, I realized that I needed to make some modifications to the free printable. So I have a new free printable, and it has the days of the week on there, so you can circle what chores you did on which day. So check that out. I love my O-Cedar spin mop. It is literally, I'm not just saying this, the best mop that I have ever bought. It works really well. It's lightweight, and you can use the little lever there to spin your mop and get virtually almost all of the water out of it. It is amazing. And it's really good for the baseboards. You do not need to bend down. No bending required when you're over 50. That's very important. And you can just run the mop up along the baseboards as you saw me just do. And it works really well. You could clean the walls with it. You can clean your kitchen cabinets with it. I actually did that in a video. That will be linked down below. Now on to decorating this section of the entry room. Why didn't I finish cleaning first? Because I can. I just kind of like to clean a little section and then decorate, you know, just to get some motivation to finish cleaning the other part of the entryway or whichever room I am working in. Okay, I did finally dig into my bins in the garage, which I haven't done that so far, so I am pulling out some things. I'm pulling out some pumpkins to fill up this basket, so it looks like a full basket of pumpkins, and I'm going to use a blanket to put in there and some other things. A few of these pumpkins that were made a couple of years ago, I made from hats from the dollar spot at Target. And also I crocheted a couple of the pumpkins too. And I also bought some pumpkins. I didn't buy any pumpkins this year. In fact, I barely bought any fall decor. I bought two little things for the tiered tray in this entryway at the Dollar General, but I am using what I already have. I really don't need any more things. The goal here and moving forward in the future is to not have to take down all of my normal regular decor and put it in bins and put it in the garage and then pull out my seasonal decor. I don't want to do that. I just want to add to that. That being said, you saw I moved most of the stuff that was on the entryway, but I'm not redecorating the bottom of this entryway table. I am leaving it. The few things that were on the top, I just put on that shelf you see to the left there, and I will just put it back after the fall is over. Actually, Christmas will be here, so I won't be doing that. But I just want to add things to my decor and not have to take everything down and put it away and then take it back out. That's what I did in my family room mostly. I just added a few pumpkins here and there to my existing decor. I just want to make decorating more simple in my older age. Okay, I end up not liking that green runner. You'll see me change it out here in a second. And that little shelf above the entryway table, that is from Hobby Lobby for several years ago, but they still have it. I will link that down below. The chalkboard sign above, that kind of matches the shelf. Yeah, they don't have that anymore, so I think they have maybe a corkboard one. If I can find that, I will list that. So I am just putting out a few pumpkins here. I got that purple pumpkin, maroon pumpkin from Home Goods a couple years ago, and the tiered tray was from Hobby Lobby, and I spray painted it a copper color with spray paint. Yeah, so I'm going to try to arrange these flowers in this vase, which I have been contemplating getting rid of it. I probably should. Every time I try to put flowers in that, it doesn't look right. So I may go ahead and get rid of that for the one box challenge. I'm just adding a few more pumpkins and putting some on the tiered tray. I really not sure what I want to do with this tiered tray. I am getting a few more things for that, but for now I'll put these pumpkins that I've had for years from who knows where. And those two little square little plaques that are for the tiered tray, I got those from Dollar General. Really was surprised at what I found at Dollar General. I ended up only buying one other thing from Dollar General that day, I believe. Okay, one more quick vacuum and mop the middle area of the entryway, and I'm just about done here. I rearranged the basket there with the pumpkins, and I'm going to change out the carpet there. This is a rug that I got from Pier 1 many years ago. Done. And as always, it probably will change because I'll change my mind. Raise your hand in the comments below if you do the same thing. So I ended up taking the two pillows that I was going to donate for the one box challenge and stuffing it down in there so that it looked a little more full. I don't want to keep those pillows though. I'm sure I could find a spare blanket or something. I don't want to keep those pillows for that sake. So I just have my blanket that I crocheted, my pumpkin. I think I got that last year. Again, I don't have too many pillows. Mostly it's pillow covers, but I do have 3 pillows for this bench in particular. And I do want to use some oil on here to fix the bench, make it look nice. But next time. And I didn't put anything here last year, and that's a mess in there. So, it needs painted. Well, I just didn't want to put anything there this year. So, and then behind the scenes, you see a mess. I steam cleaned the carpet today. That was drying. I just turned on the fan so you could hear me. And you can see a tiny sneak peek of my dining room that I will show you next week, that I was working on yesterday. But I have to figure out what to do with all that stuff. It probably will be in the decluttering video, as well as some of my fall stuff. So I'm not super happy with this, so I might change. So this, I'm going to do a chalk sign on this. I might go ahead and do that on Instagram, on Reels. You'll see that. And I haven't decided. And again, I'm not super happy. I didn't want to change out any of this. I don't want to change out my decor a whole bunch. That's where I am headed as I age. And I just want to add to it. But I did take everything off of here. But in other places in the house, I just added like a pumpkin here and there instead of taking it all down and put it in the bin and then put it in the garage and then having to put it back out. I don't want to do that anymore. So, and I like this. This is my father's old Super 8 something camera. I don't know, Super 8. My grandfather, picture of grandfather. Or that's the projector. That's my father's camera. This is an old typewriter. My hubby's mom's, I think. Picture, another old camera. Picture of my husband's relatives. He has no clue who they are, but anyway. All right, so, and then I ended up replacing the plants with plastic ones because I kept killing them. And, all right, that's good. And I will change this out for Halloween. I don't normally decorate for Halloween, but it is hubby's birthday. So I do have a few doodads that I bought last year and a few this year. I bought these from the dollar spot at Target. And I thought I would do a cute little thing. And plus, I got this from Dollar General the other day. So I will put that there, plus a few other things that I got last year. You'll see. I'll change it out. Probably mid-October. I don't want Halloween display for the whole month of October. So I just probably have it for a week or two and then take it down. And yeah, okay. I have to go make hubby and I some dinner, and you can hear him calling the cats in. It's already dark. Why are they still outside? Anyway, that's it. And next week I'll be doing the dining room. If you missed any of my fall clean and decorate videos, I will link a playlist down below and up in the cards and in the end screen. So, all right. And don't forget to watch Karen's video. She probably is posting a video today. She posts a video every Monday, a cleaning video. So go watch Karen at This Maynard's Mom. I will link her in the description and in the end screen too. All right, guys, until next time, enjoy your day. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you give me a thumbs up, and there will be a list of a plethora of fall videos down below from this year and last year. There is plenty of videos. I think last year and the year before I did what I called Countdown to Fall, where I put decor out one day at a time, one little vignette at a time. So you might want to check those out, plus the crocheted blanket video and all the other fall videos that I have done over the years if you want to watch. If you're new to my channel, click my face right there and subscribe. And don't forget to leave me a comment. Until next time, guys, enjoy your day.